Okay, the first activity from lesson 1 is to identify the imaginary circles and imaginary lines on a terrestrial globe. Here are some images that will help you identify those imaginary lines and imaginary circles. On the second activity, it has to do with the thermal zones. Remember, we have three thermal zones: polar zones, temperate zones, and tropical zones. Each zone has its own characteristics. Now, identify to which thermal zones these landscapes belong. It can be either tropical, polar, or temperate. Place them on your notebook. For the third activity, you need to identify what climates are in each of the continents. We will divide them in North and South. I will help you identify the climates of North and South America. You can see we have several climates in these continents. Use this map to identify the climates. For example, in South America, we have large extensions of tropical and dry climates. You can see that we also have some cold and temperate, but these extensions, these land extensions are very small. So we only write tropical and dry. As for North America, we will draw dry, cold, temperate, and polar because these land extensions are large. We won't include the tropical. Now it's your turn and identify the climate in North Africa, South Africa, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, Northern Asia, Southern Asia, Northern Oceania, and Southern Oceania.